Enemy down! Engaging the enemies! Enemy is near!
Airdrop has been delivered. Shield turret
Enemy
deployed.
is near! Enemy down!
Dog tags have been scanned successfully. Your teammate will return to the battle when the next revive flight arrives. The revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
The airdrop is coming!
Voidwalker activated. Airdrop has been delivered. Almost ready. Revive.
Enemy vehicle is near! Enemy eliminated! Enemy is near!
Voidwalker activated.
Enemy is near! The airdrop is coming! Enemy down!
The revive flight will arrive in
Vehicle
1 minute.
there!
I wonder if you guys now know how to solve this problem of my university. There is a question, there is a scenario about a roommate who is wet, and I have to turn all of these sentences to FOL language and first order logic, and then I have to prove if sprinklers are on with the method of resolution. I wonder if you can help me with this. Anyone who can help, it's I appreciate it. And so what we have to do here is, first of all, turn this to FOL language, and then I have to conclude using a resolution method. Hello guys, welcome to day 47 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to continue coding my website, which I was trying to complete it a couple of days ago. And the website was about a resume. It was a resume website, a CV website. And I'm going to continue complete it. Okay, let's start. In my last video, which I think it was in day 44, I was trying to create this website, and I just need to create a picture of mine in here. So if you remember, this was my design. A paragraph here, some items in here as a menu and a picture of myself, but it's not necessary to be the picture of mine, and I can find a picture from internet. So let's start to find a picture, and it could be Roro Noa Zoro. I like this character from One Piece, and this character I'm going to use it here. Maybe should I use PNG file? Right now it doesn't matter. I just need a picture and I can change it later. It could be this one or not this one. I like this one, so let's save it. And actually, I don't know if I am eligible. Do I have right to use this picture on my website or not? So I'm just going to delete it. I'm not going to use it, and I am going to use a fake picture. It doesn't matter. It should be just a picture on my website. I can change it later, but what matter is right now, the matter is I should code it. So let's just create something for myself, and that picture could be something like this. Let it be something like this for now. I'm going to change it later, but it is a picture. And let's start put this picture on my website. Now, how can I put it here in the right side of my paragraph tag? I think I should use the float, right? I don't know. In a img tag, and it should be after my paragraph tag, and I can put this image into another div. Is it necessary to use another div? I don't know. Let me just use the img tag for now. img. Picture of mine. So this alt tag is what it do is when my picture doesn't load on the internet, it showed these words, this sentence, as a replacement. And here, as a source, I have to show the source of my image. And before that, I'm going to put my image in project folder, in my project folder, which is here, my CV website, and it should have another folder, right? Like What was the name of the folder? Is it really important? Let me just create a folder right now, and if it was necessary, I will change it. Sources or assets. Here I put my call it my picture one. I don't know. Or should I change it to something that I can later on I can remember it? My pick. That's it. Let's take it easy. Okay, and now there was a way to write my sources. I don't remember it. It was 2 dots and something like this. Oh yes. Assets, and here assets and my pick. Why it didn't show my pick? Assets, what is the word? Maybe it should be 1 dot. I don't know. My pick, yes, it should be 1 dot. And now we have a picture here. By the way, guys, I don't know what is wrong with this preview window. It never shows a picture, but if I use open with Live Server, I'm pretty sure it will show the picture. But here it doesn't show it. And something else that right now I can see is why I can see my words here. Maybe it should be, I should change the color of the font, right? The font color. ID content or content. Here I should choose font color. It doesn't show any font color. P tag. Content. Font size, font family. We have all sorts of font things, but we don't have font color. Why is that? Maybe I should use color, right? Color, not font color. Color white, something like white. Okay, I think that's right. Now let's open with Live Server. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's change our the position of my image to here. And how should I do that? This I don't remember. Float right. Float right. Image tag. It should have a name. Maybe it should have a name like ID Okay, ID main image or my pic. No, let's change it to main pic because I don't want to confuse these words together. The ID and the picture name, which is where it's going, I don't know. Here, I don't want to confuse this one and this one together, so I call it main pic. And the main pic, or maybe I should use the same name, it will be easy to remember to call. I don't know, let's just use this for now. My pic. Okay. Style. Float right. Float right. Okay, let's see what is the result. It's too much right. Float right, and the height should be auto. The height float right, the height should be auto, so it should become here auto, but it didn't change anything. Maybe this is block element, the paragraph, so maybe the div tag of my paragraph tag is block element, so that's not allowing my picture element coming to his right. So let's change it as, what was the name of it? Content. And I should change the div of this to inline. ID content, display, inline block, inline. What happened? Oh. Inline block. Something happened here. Okay, I think it came to the right place. Let me check something here. Inspector. Pressed F, that was F12, and here is nothing. So the div tag is starting from here, right? And the image tag is also starting from here, but at the right place. So everything is okay. I just need to put this image tag on the center. And why we have this is margin, I think. This is margin that I gave to my content ID. So I suppose I have to give the image tag the same margin, and then I can tune it. Tune it. What is this? What was the margin of the content? Margin top 50 pixel. Okay, so we say we can copy this and put it from my pic as well. Margin top. Let's see the results. Yes, now I have to give it margin right. Margin right to margin right. It should be about maybe this one as well. It looks good, I think. So I have my picture here, which should be the picture of mine for my resume. But for now, I just put it here. I think for the first time that I'm creating a website, this is good, actually. I know it's not perfect, but for a start, it's good as a beginner, right? I want to change the color of my items in here to white as well. And maybe should I put the background for it? Some background? Maybe no. No, it's okay like this. What I was trying to do, I forgot to. I forgot what I wanted to do. Okay. Now what I have to do is to link my first page, my home page, to this one, which called home. Okay. Oh, I remember. I wanted to color my items to white. Let's do this first. How was that? This one. Color white. Yes. Okay. I have some progress here. Okay. It's good. Now let's link my home page to the first page that I just wrote the code. How can I link this to that page? So I think for every single li tag in here, I should put an ID, right? But here I think instead of ID, I could have used class, right? It was better to use class. So maybe changing this to class, okay? And now I have to come back here and use that. Let's see, let's just double check this to see if anything changed. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now we can use an ID for every single of this item. I think ID, and let's call it home page. Home page. And or maybe instead of using ID, I can use inline method to put the link inside this ID. Okay, so let me delete this one and use the li. What was the link tag? It was A, I think. Okay. A. I think I did it in the wrong way. A tag. Let's check. I did some mistake in here, and okay, that's right. Now we have it. Let's create our second page, which is portfolio. But for today, I think that's enough. I have 24 minutes of studying, working with my website, and after this, tonight, I'm going to study about 20 or 30 minutes of new video. So my project is aside, and learning a video per day is aside. Okay, see you guys.